Hi, we're back with my 1960 Ford Thunderbird. I have the transmission pan off because I'm redoing the seal, as it was just old and crushed. I believe it was the original one. I have the pan right here near my legs, but if I try and pick it up, I might hit the seal on something. So I'm waiting until I have the Permatex on, so that way it gets a good seal. But I'll show you guys once I'm done what it looks like and how snug it fits. I'm confident that I did it right. I had to make my own because getting a transmission pan seal for this thing is not next to impossible. It's just a pain in the ass because I've got sent the wrong one 3 times. So I figured if I get a nice giant cork sheet, I might be able to cut my own out. That's what I did. Now I'm going to see if it fits in perfectly. If not, I'll drop it back down, make another one, see if that one fits. See you guys soon.